Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to SSH enable from Ubuntu 20.04. This is latest release Ubuntu 20.04. This is Ubuntu latest version 21.04. So now try to SSH from my PC to server 100.9. Okay, try to password, yes, but not connect SSH. So must be install open SSH server apt open SSH server. Maybe this is already installed when I set up operating system. So now configure SSH etc ssh d underscore config. Must be comment out port 22. This is SSH port, and comment out permit root login, prohibit password, and delete this line and type yes, and scroll down and see password authentication, comment out and exit and save. Then restart SSH service SSH res restart. So now try again. Session deny, yes, now connected. Yes, 21.04. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.